Look at that snowman. Not that snowman, that snow, comma man.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Okay guys, just about an hour ago it was nice and sunny, and then this cold front moved through, and we are literally experiencing blizzard conditions right now. I'll show you in just a second, but I just wanted to vlog this real quick because this is actually way fun. Look, I've been out here for a couple seconds standing under my porch, and I've already got snow all over me. And is my hair white? This is so sick. Like it's literally been snowing for like 15-20 minutes, and we already have like half an inch. We already have like half an inch of snow on the ground. This is so sick. Okay. I have to get out of that real quick. Alright, let me see if I can show you guys it real quick. This is why I can't do flips right now. 1, my knees hurt, but 2, winter in Utah isn't favorable for flipping conditions.
Oh my graciousness.
There he is, the man himself.
We're covered in snow.
I know, dude, it's flipping crazy. Look at this, this is crazy. What the heck is he doing? Come on, Emma, come on! It's too windy? How do you feel about all this, Emma? You don't know, it's cold, huh? Let's get out of this, dude. This is so cold. My poor sandals and Christmas socks, man. I'm so covered in snow. This is so sick. In case you guys haven't noticed by now, I am infatuated by weather. I love weather so much. And this is just getting me going right here. This is so exciting. Is my hair white?
Oh yeah.
My hair is probably super white, just like my jacket. What's more white, my hair or my jacket?
Your jacket, probably.
My jacket. Oh,
you
man.
just look like an old man.
I look like an old man, like gray hair. Oh, bitch, it's the snow again. Let's go get some sick shots from the back. We are back now. Guys, this literally just started like 30 minutes ago, and watch this. Watch how much snow we're getting. Look at that. We got like a solid 1 inch already. Look at all that.
It like rolls over the fence. Wild.
Ooh, man, this is windy. Ooh. Alright, guys, I'm going inside. This is way cold. I'm guessing it's like 35 mile an hour, like 35 mile an hour winds, gust of like 45, 50, and the wind chill is freezing, so I'm out of here. There you go. Alright, we just couldn't help ourselves. We had to go play in the snow again some more. I'm not going to be actually using my DSLR camera because it's really wet, so I'm just going to use my phone, which still films pretty good. Let's go out there.
Oh my heavens. We were just out here like 20 minutes ago and it's already covered again. You can't even see our footprints, dude.
That's ridiculous.
Where's my... Oh, I'm wearing my head.
It snowed like another inch since we got inside. Yeah, boy. Yes. So sick. Got snow all up in my socks. Jake, do a snow angel right there. Go. Yeah, boy. Snow angels in the middle of the street because we can. How cute. Yay. It's going to be covered in like 30 seconds. Look, Jake, yours is already covered. Yours is already covered. Dude, it's windy. It is so windy right now. Guys, looking down both ends of our street, we literally can't see down 3 houses. Like when you get down to the 3rd house, you could just barely see it. It's not just the camera quality. I'm telling you guys, you cannot see out here. It's nuts. Let's check on Noah's. Noah, let's check on your snow angel.
Jake's is completely gone.
What snow angel? It's gone. Oh, dude. My phone case is freezing. Look. You see?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's nuts.
Jake, I have shorts and a short sleeve shirt under this. You ready? I'm not. Let's go.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah, let's go, Jake.
Okay, alright.
Are we going all the way down to the underwear or no?
No, just take your shirt off. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is stinging my skin. How are you doing this, Noah? Just run like that. Jake's gone. Can't even see him anymore. No, his shoes are off. No! No! Yeah! Oh my gosh!
It's so cold.
Dude,
We're going back.
Oh, right against the wind. Just run inside, Noah. Wow. Your nose is all red. It's so cute. Look at that. Look how much snow there is, guys. That's after like 40 minutes of snow. That's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh. He's back. Are you gonna what do you do? Dude, your clothes are already getting covered in snow. What are you doing now? I'll be back out soon. Dude, you're ridiculous. Also, in the amount of time that we've been out here, my phone case is completely frozen. And it's starting to go on my screen just a little bit, which is actually probably not all that good, but gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do it for the vine. I wish I could say that with personality, but my lips are so numb right now I can't even talk outside this monotone spectrum. Are you gonna sweep the snow away? Aww. Oh, yeah! Caleb! Caleb! What is up, dude?
I want goggles,
Back.
but then.
Dude, that looks sweet though. What's the plan now?
We could pee.
That'd be kind of fun. Let's pee.
Let's go.
Let's go pee somewhere.
Yeah, Jake.
What?
How about the park?
We could write our names. Yes! We're gonna write our names in pee. I've always wanted to do that. On our way, the phone died that I was filming on, and so we had to run back real quick. And then we got a quick bite to eat, so it's a little bit dark outside, but it's not too bad. And it also snowed an extra, like, what, 3 inches?
Maybe more.
Maybe more, like 4. There's about a foot of snow on the ground now, so we're gonna go have some fun with it.
Alright.
You ready to go out into the abyss that is Utah?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go.
Me down as I drive by, got too much drugs on my hoverboard. I'm very south. Very south.
You can't even tell the difference between the street and the sidewalk.
I can't even see Jake.
Perfect. This is the place, man. This is where we're peeing. You going first? You go first.
Alright.
Let's see how successful he is. Look at that.
It's disgusting.
Hey, not too bad. It's looking good.
I'm out.
Ah, let's see what you got.
I'm not peeing right there.
You got the N, O, and then a little bit of the A. Dude, that first part of the N right there, you freaking destroyed that. You annihilated that first part of the N.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Congratulations. Good job. All right, Jake, your turn.
All right,
Let's
Seth,
see.
ready?
Let's see it. Let's see.
Jake, you gotta move.
So we got a bunch of random splats. That one looks like a V, so that's pretty good.
It's a J.
Oh.
That's an A.
Oh,
And that's circle.
oh, I see now. Oh, that's so cold.
I know. You have loads of pee, dude. How did you get it all? Or how'd you get that all in you? So we got. I mean, I can kind of see the S. We got a little bit of the E.
And then I went into
A
cursive.
line.
No, I went to cursive.
Oh,
we got T, and then H, and then it started coming out. So
And then you just.
I went, woo! And had a heyday. Pretty good content.
Oh yeah.
It is a lot harder to write your name and pee in the snow than you think. You have to like go on and off and on and off, and you know how that is. If you've ever done a test where you have to pee in the bottle, you know how hard it is to stop your pee. All right, Noah. You ready?
A train.
A train?
Yeah, so it's where I hold on to.
You hold on to me.
Yeah, it's where I hold on to you.
Okay. Hold on, and hold on, Jake.
Oh, we're not. Okay.
Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go! Ah! 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 And there we go! Jake's no longer with us.
Oh, I can't see the thing.
Jake's at the very top of the hill still. Check these out. Glowing orbs under the snow. What? How can this be, Noah?
I don't even know, bro.
Holy crap, it's a dead body!
Let's film it and play with it.
Yeah, let's put it on YouTube. Let's. Oh wait, we're not Logan Paul.
Paul.
That's not Logan Paul. No, dude, I'm
doing?
Seth, mate. I don't do stupid crap like that. Let's move on. 8 Opperty. Who the heck is Opperty?
No motorized vehicles.
Good thing we're not a motorized vehicle.
Yep.
It does eat people, so probably not.
Or was it Opperty who was eaten?
What?
Or was it Opperty who was eaten?
It ate Opperty. Yeah,
Huh.
see? Ate Opperty.
Oh, so Opperty was the nice guy who was eaten.
Yeah.
By whom?
I don't know. Maybe by the personnel.
Treasury.
Run first, actually.
No, just jump for it.
Oh yeah, why would you? You ready? Set.
Hey, Jake, you're next. Looks like Opperty doesn't live here anymore. That was not as exciting as I thought it'd be.
That was actually not worth it at all.
No, that wasn't worth it at all. Jump! Jump!
Heck yeah.
We're walking, we're trekking through this blizzard. Heck yeah, we going home, we're super cold. Gonna get some hot, yeah. Hot something. Alright guys, so I didn't get to the outro after I was actually done playing in the blizzard, and that's because my hands were super cold and I just didn't want to film because my fingers were in pain. So I just warmed up, got a good night's sleep, woke up the next morning and shoveled, because that is the blessing that snow gives us, is it forces us to wake up in the morning and exercise, because trust me, shoveling is an exercise. But what it left over was absolutely beautiful, and I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. I love that. You can't really see the mountains very well in the distance over there, but they're super beautiful, and it looks like something straight out of a picture. The sky is beautiful, the sun is coming up right over this house, which is my house. So yeah, it's just beautiful. I love looking at the snow after a good snowstorm. And it's amazing because just last night it was just total blizzard, and now look at the sky. It's like nothing even happened. And here's the backyard, looking beautiful as ever, especially with all the snow. Just look at that. That is so gorgeous, guys. I don't know if you guys can appreciate this as much as me right now. Like I said earlier, I love the weather, but dang, this is just gorgeous. This is awesome. You gotta agree, that's pretty beautiful. But yeah, I just wanted to make an outro real quick before I head out. And also, that offer is still on the table. If you want to send in a picture through my DMs on Instagram to use for my outro, I'd be more than happy to use it as long as it's not something like stupid or inappropriate or something like that. And real quickly, I just wanted to make that video because it started to snow a ton and I geeked out over it. And I just had to go out and vlog and hurry up and post this and get it up on the internet so that you guys can see how much fun it was. If you made it to this point of the video, if you actually made it this far and watched the whole thing, more power to you. That means you're a dedicated fan, because I wasn't even going for making an engaging video. I just wanted to show you guys how much fun it was. That being said, I'll meet you guys in the next video. Ciao, mates.